It's quite common in a WATCHOUT installation that you have a number of display computers that are just set up to drive your projectors or your other displays, and they don't necessarily have a keyboard or a mouse connected, or perhaps you're using a WatchPax, which is a dedicated playback device for WATCHOUT, which typically again doesn't have a keyboard or a mouse. So what do you do if you need to maintain them and make changes to those display computers that may be mounted, way up in the rig or something like that? Well, there are a couple of very convenient features built into WATCHOUT for that very application. Right on the stage menu at the bottom, you have a couple of commands that are easily overlooked. They allow you to do things like clean up by removing other shows from the display computers that are in the system, and that command will remove all shows except the one that's currently loaded right now, which I've called screen rec here. So it will remove all shows but that one. Another useful command is the power down command, which allows you to turn off the display computers. But perhaps the most powerful of them all is the remote access. It's grayed out right now because you have to select a particular display computer by clicking it in the stage window, and then you can use that command. Remote access, what it does is that it opens a window onto the display computer. So if I do this, you can see that now I'm actually accessing the display computer, and I have access to all its normal user interface features here. I can even go in and do things like switching live capture video input sources here, or the audio output multi-channel mapping from this menu here. You can also go in and edit a startup script that sets certain parameters in WATCHOUT that just opens a regular text editor, and then you can go in and make alterations to this script here. And once you're done, you just close this window and you're right back in WATCHOUT. So that's a very convenient way to remotely manage your display computers right from within the production software.